Hi guys, welcome back to Control Shift Eat, and you're watching Cook with Shweta. So today we are going to make this very chatpata version of bhindi, that is Achari Bhindi. It is absolutely tangy and delicious. So let's start with the recipe. So in a mixie jar, first I've taken 1 teaspoon of mustard or rye, 1 teaspoon of Ajwain or carom seeds. Then we have around 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds or dhania. Next I have cumin seeds around 1 teaspoon. Kalonji or onion seeds around 1 teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Salt to taste. Some red chili powder around half teaspoon and half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Finally we have hing around half teaspoon. So grind it into a coarse powder. So you can see how it looks. Keep it aside. Now in a separate kadhai, I am heating around 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. I prefer using less oil, but if you want you can use more oil instead. So we have to wait till the mustard oil is properly heated so that it releases its heat and aroma. Once the mustard oil is heated, I'll add sliced onion. I've taken 2 medium onion and finely sliced it. Mix it well. Saute it till it's light brown. While the onions are turning brown, so here I have some bhindi. I have cut it into long slice. If you want, you can cut the other way also. And to this I'm adding the blended Achaari Masala. Now we have to make sure that the bhindi is well coated with the masala, and I've utilized the entire masala because I like it spicy and hot. Keep this aside. Now we can see the onions are slightly brown. Now to this I'm adding pickle, so you can use any pickle you want. I've used mango pickle over here. Saute it for a couple of minutes, and then we'll add the bhindi, which is coated with Achaari Masala. Now make sure that your flame is on low. Combine everything properly, and then you have to cover and cook it on medium low flame. So you have to make sure that you stir it occasionally so that the bhindi doesn't stick to the bottom of your kadhai. After a couple of minutes I'm sauteing it again. You can see that it's not stuck to the bottom, so you have to repeat this process till your bhindi is cooked through. So this takes around 10 to 12 minutes. So after 10 to 12 minutes, the bhindi looks something like this. It is perfectly cooked and it is ready to be served. So there you go, my favorite version of bhindi is ready. You can serve it with chapatis or dal rice. It would taste awesome any which ways. Hope you like this recipe guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel.